Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says to all the acharyas, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, and Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda, they are all carriers of orders of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, try to follow the path of Acharya process, then life will be successful. And to become Acharya is not very difficult. First of all, to become very faithful servant of your Acharya, follow strictly what he says, try to please him, and spread Krishna consciousness. That's all. It is not at all difficult. Try to follow the instruction of your Guru Maharaj and spread Krishna consciousness. That is the order of Lord Chaitanya. Amar aggay guru haiya tara ei desh, jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. By following my order, you become Guru. And if we strictly follow the Acharya system and try our best to spread the instruction of Krishna, jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. There are two kinds of Krishna upadesh. Upadesh means instruction. Instruction given by Krishna, that is also Krishna upadesh. And instruction received about Krishna, that is also Krishna upadesh. Krishnasya upadesha iti Krishna upadesh, samas, shashti, tatpurush, samas. And Krishna Vishaya upadesh, that is also Krishna upadesh, Bhavri samas. This is the way of analyzing Sanskrit grammar. So, Krishna's upadesh is Bhagavad Gita. He is directly giving instruction. So one who is spreading Krishna upadesh, simply repeat what is said by Krishna, then you become Acharya. Not difficult at all. Everything is stated there. We have to simply repeat like parrot. Not exactly parrot. Parrot does not understand the meaning. He simply vibrates. But you should understand the meaning also. Otherwise, how you can explain? So you want to spread Krishna consciousness, simply prepare yourself how to repeat Krishna's instruction very nicely, without any malinterpretation. Then in future, suppose you have got now 10,000, we shall expand to 100,000. That is required. Then 100,000 to million, and million to 10 million. So there will be no scarcity of Acharya, and people will understand Krishna consciousness very easily. So make that organization. Don't be falsely puffed up. Follow the Acharya instruction and try to make yourself perfect, mature. Then it will be very easy to fight out Maya. Acharya, they declare war against Maya's activities.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna